Hello everyone, we are in Naizna, a 5-star golf estate property, Pezula by Village in Life. Let's explore our room now. Quite a few steps to get to your room. This is the main entrance of your room. Here we enter. You have got a beautiful coffee bar with a microwave over there. You have your own TV. A very nice and unique thing, you can place your luggage over here. You have your own lockers for valuable stuff. And this is what I wanted to tell you all. This is a one stone bathtub where this have been carved for your luxury to have a beautiful bath over there. You have your own shower area, the restroom. The room has been completely sanitized looking at the current scenario of pandemic. The king size bed, very huge. You also have a couch and you also have a bonfire which you can light up for the evening. A beautiful and a cozy place to be over here in Naizna. Now let's take the tour of the property from here.